everyone, this is Arsh Goyal. I'm a software engineer at Samsung and a content creator at YouTube. So today I'm here to tell you about a special initiative that Samsung is taking that is known as Solve for Tomorrow. What is Solve for Tomorrow? It's basically an ideation and innovation competition, and we invite you all to come and participate in it. So who can participate in it? Anyone who is from the age of 16 to 22 and who has the passion for innovation and entrepreneurship is most welcome to participate in this competition. Now you'll say ideas on what topics we can submit these particular projects on. So we have categorized 4 themes, that is education, environment, healthcare and agriculture, and you need to submit your ideas based upon these themes. How can you register for this competition? Just go to the website of Solve for Tomorrow. You will get to see all the details on how you can participate. Just register on the same and you will get the complete details on how to participate. So the major aim behind this initiative is to bring a change in the society as well as in your lives. This is what we at Samsung are looking forward to. So now we have talked about everything, but what you are exactly going to get out of this competition. So this involves grants of up to 1 crore for top 3 teams. Top 10 teams will be getting Samsung products and grants of up to 1 lakh, and top 50 teams will be getting Samsung vouchers of rupees 1 lakh. Apart from this, you will be getting mentoring from people at Samsung as well as from IT Delhi. So what are you waiting for? Just apply for Solve for Tomorrow right now.